Tired of sweating in your Chrysler Pacifica, even with the AC on? You're not alone. One of the most common reasons your Pacifica's air conditioner stops working is a problem with the compressor is like the heart of your AC system. It helps move cold air into your car. If the compressor isn't working, you might notice the air from your vents feels warm, or the AC makes strange noises. Sometimes you'll even see a warning light on your dashboard. There are a few reasons the compressor can fail. It could be low refrigerant, a blown fuse, or an electrical issue. Sometimes the compressor itself just wears out over time. Here's what you can do. First, check if your AC settings are correct. Next, see if your AC fuse is blown. Your owner's manual can show you where to look. If that doesn't work, it's best to visit a mechanic. Trying to fix a compressor on your own can be tricky and sometimes dangerous. Remember, fixing your AC early can save you money and keep your drives comfortable, so don't wait. Get your Pacifica's AC checked if it's not cooling.